It's amazing to me how someone can say something and explain what they do so eloquently and perfectly, and it's still not click in someone's brain. So I just think the majority of the population is wired that way, where if they see it, it makes more sense than if it's explained to them. So you can have the best content writer in the world, and you can write the most beautiful context for your website. But the majority of people aren't going to go through and read everything on your website. But if they scroll through your website and one of the very first things they see is an info video that they can click and in a minute and a half get a full understanding of what it is that your company does, they're much more likely to do business with you that way versus the other. A lot of meetings that I've had with people who I've never met face to face, by the time I sit down with them for the first time, one of the first things I hear from them is, I feel like I already know you, because they've seen content from me online. They've seen my face. They've heard my voice. They know what side of town I live on. They know I have two dogs. They even know my dogs' names. Like, they know who my favorite football team is. They know I'm a sneakerhead. Like, they know all these different things about me, and it allows them to connect with me on a personal level that, me writing out just text won't achieve.